Today guys, I want to show you how to fix Discord microphone is not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, just open your Discord today like me and move on this gear, open it, move here to voice and video and you will see here microphone. Just click on it and select correct input device, just like me, Windows default or microphone high definition. When you choose the right, you will see when you speak, this is moving, just like me. After you do that, just move here to microphone volume and move it to 100. After this, if you have any problems, just scroll here down and you will see reset all voice and video settings. Just click here reset and move here to voice and video and check your microphone now. After this, if you have any issues more, just close this, press Windows button and open settings, move here to system and move here to sounds. You will see output, just move here to input, choose your input device just like me, choose here microphone high definition. After you choose, you will see when you speak your microphone is moving here. After you do all this like me, just open Discord now, move here on gear, move voice and video and check here your microphone again. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix microphone not working on Discord for Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.